Hey guys, Jack Lisa with MajorLeagueTrading.com, and in this video I'm going to be exiting a swing position of mine that I've had for I think like 4 days now. Anyway, I am long 4 contracts. I'm up $22,000 and over 110 points in the course of 4 days. So it's been a fantastic swing. So I've just exited out of that position for 22 grand. I am down on the day because we did start selling off. So the reason I want to talk about this trade, I'm not here to just talk about profits, but I want to talk about where I got in and what made me want to hold. So anybody who's ever taken my MLT Pro Trader course where I teach my Fibonacci strategy, one of the things I use is called just a halfway back, which is basically a low to high divided by 2. Now that's a really simple way to put it, but what I did is I got long right where this blue line is. Okay, so right here, my entry was 24.59, which is just slightly above my level here, which is 24.58. And the thing was, we had this massive bid in the overnight session on Friday going into the beginning of the year here. So that was Friday. We staged a massive rally. And anytime you have a quick, swift move in the direction of your anticipated position, I typically like to hold. So I held through Friday into the overnight session Monday. Tuesday we continued to make higher highs. And then what I didn't like here is the way this market closed, and we have multi-bar move down on the hourly chart. So I'm looking at this chart. I could have trailed it a little tighter, but look at this chart. We had what was a profit target. I had a profit target up here, and I can just see this market. And this market is still bearish on the higher time frame. If we break this trend line, we will get heavier selling pressure. So I'm taking my profits and running. I'm not I'm typically a day trader, but when you get into a trade and the market begins instantly moving your way, like we do right here. Let me go back to that. The market instantly begins moving your way. You see how you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's 11 bars in a row on the hourly chart that are all up. That means you are on the right side of the beginning of a major trend. If you go to the beginning of any multi-bar heavy move down, whether it's the beginning of December, you have a multi-bar heavy move down, followed up the next day, multi-bar heavy move down. That is typically the beginning of a larger trend. And that's what we had out of the lows coming out of Christmas Eve in 2018. And then once again, when I got long here, we had that multi-bar strength move. Now, the way this candle closed here, I had a profit target at that level. I've decided to exit this position and look for a new trade tomorrow. I don't want to be attached to this. We've made a new high consecutively 4 days in a row with a little bit of a topping tail here today. So you can see there was some price rejection. Anytime you have these topping tails like this, there's some price rejection. And if we cross back below that low, which is just like 5 or so points below, there is going to be stops because there's plenty of traders who have been long. So I'm anticipating these stops to be hit, and I'd love to get into another trade like that. But guys, if you find yourself in a position where you have made points right off the bat and it is a huge move, that might be the one that you want to hold for a few days. But that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Just a little tip on how to turn, or when to know when to turn a day trade into a swing trade. Hope this helps. If you like this video, if you like my tip, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to ask me questions below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn and take a deep dive into any of the trading strategies that I use, check out MajorLeagueTrading.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.